P, F and A numbers. AWS classification and filler metal selection, storage and handling. Welding materials. Base metal and consumables, flux, electrode, and filler, shielding gas, called welding materials. P number assignment to base metals. To avoid preparing and qualifying a WPS for every single type of metals, those metals that have the same composition, weldability and mechanical characteristics are classified together. ASME 9 have such materials under one P number, P for parent material, see Table QWQB 422. This table cross-references material type and grade against P numbers.